Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News.
Hello, curious humans. Big Brain here. Welcome to episode 73. Today, we're zooming into a secret cave, splashing into coastal science, and visiting a museum where a famous flag gets the VIP treatment. And remember, if you don't know the news, you are gonna lose. Whoa! Did you know there are still animals on Earth that humans haven't officially met yet? Yep! In Oregon's Columbia River Gorge, a biologist found a brand new kind of cave spider, and it just got an official name. Here's the cool part. Caves are like nature's secret rooms. They're dark, quiet, and often a little damp, kinda like a giant stone basement. Animals that live there can end up with special features over a long time. Some cave creatures rely less on eyesight and more on feeling vibrations, sensing air movement, or using tiny hairs to read the world. So how do scientists know it's truly a new species? They look carefully at details, like body shape and patterns, and they may compare DNA, which is like an instruction book inside living things. If it doesn't match known species, bingo! New species! And instead of naming it in a boring way, this one got a community-style naming celebration. That's science with a party hat on, learning together, sharing the discovery, and cheering for nature's hidden neighbors. Speaking of exploring hidden worlds, let's surf into the next story, without even getting your socks wet.
Hey kids, it's Big Brain with your daily scoop. Today, brains can control your body. Watch this. Whoa, my arms are off. Come back here, you. I guess they have a mind of their own.
Have you ever wished the ocean could send you a message like, "Hi, I'm feeling wavy today"? Well, scientists sort of do that by measuring what's happening along the coast right now. And there's a new place where families can explore this kind of real-time coastal science, a hands-on exhibit space called Seymour HQ at the Seymour Marine Discovery Center. Let's break it down. Coastal science means studying the edge where land meets ocean, beaches, cliffs, tide pools, and all the busy water in between. Scientists watch things like water temperature, wave height, wind, and even how salty the ocean is. Those clues help people understand animal habitats, plan beach safety, and learn how the ocean changes from day to day. The best part? This exhibit is built for exploring with your hands and your brain at the same time. Interactive spaces can feel like a science playground. Press a button, watch a map change, move a model, and suddenly you understand something that used to sound complicated. It's also bilingual, which means more families can jump in and learn together. Science is for everyone, whether you say hello, hola, or hiya. Now, from ocean waves to a waving flag, let's head to a museum that's holding a super special celebration.
Okay, kids, time for the next story.
Quick question. Have you ever seen a flag so important it inspired a song? That's part of what Flag Day celebrations are about. Learning how a flag became a symbol people recognize and remember. At the Smithsonian's National Museum of American History, Flag Day included kid-friendly activities like story time and family programs. Now, flags aren't magic cloth, so why do people care about them? A flag is like a team logo for a whole country. It can show up at schools, parks, sports games, and big celebrations. It reminds people of shared ideas and history. And here's the museum connection. The Smithsonian is home to the original Star-Spangled Banner, the flag that inspired the U.S. national anthem. Imagine a flag that's been around for a very long time, carefully protected so it doesn't crumble like an old cracker. Museums use special lighting, careful temperature control, and gentle conservation work to keep important objects safe. Kid programs make history feel like something you can touch with your imagination. When you hear a story, make a craft, or ask a question, history stops being a dusty word and starts being a real-life adventure. That's our trio of brain snacks for today. A newly named cave spider, ocean science you can play with, and a famous flag with a big story behind it. That's the news, Brain Buddies. 3 stories, lots of learning, and 0 boring. Keep those neurons firing. See you next time.
See you tomorrow. Row.
Woo!